Hi, this is Roberta, and this is our volume of a pyramid, Bazaar volume, where students interact with content and discover why the volume of a pyramid is one third the volume of a cube. And they also work with base area formulas for a pyramid. This is our intro station with Watson, our AI study buddy. This station is the same in every learning experience where students learn to move around and how to access the buttons on the inside of their wrist. We're going to jump into the content by going to the next station.
Welcome to the Egyptian polyhedron bazaar. This market only sells solid 3D shapes called polyhedrons. Think flat faces, sharp edges, and pointy corners. Heads up, only prisms and pyramids are allowed in this shop. Your mission, sort all 11 shapes into the right baskets by checking out their features. Prisms, they have two matching bases that are flat and parallel, and the sides are rectangles. Pyramids, one base only, and all the sides are triangles that meet at a point at the top. That is called the apex. If a shape does not match either of those, toss it back in the middle basket. It does not belong in the bazaar. Grab a shape, check out its faces, vertices, and edges. Decide prism, pyramid, or none, and place it in the right basket. Done sorting? Hit the check button to see if you nailed it.
All right, and you can see here, Watson has given us the instructions. They're also on the board for easy reference by students. And then our quick reference board holds important definitions that students may need in the station or other information. So let's go ahead and get started sorting our shapes. Not a prism. Shapes to challenge students' understanding.
You sorted everything correctly and spotted that none of these shapes have circles. You're on fire. Head to the next station and get ready to explore pyramids even more. Welcome to the Egyptian coin bank booth. Let's unlock some pyramid secrets. Let's calculate the volume of the cube-shaped coin bank. The cube has side lengths of 9 inches. Remember, the formula for the volume of a cube is V equals S cubed, or length times width times height. Each side of the cube is 9 inches long. Go ahead and type in 9 times 9 times 9 to crack the volume. Need help? Pop open your calculator from the menu.
All right, we have an answer keypad highlighted in yellow, so I know where to work. I can either open the calculator that's associated with the keypad, or if I pop open my menu under other tools, I can also find a calculator. I'm going to close this one and just use the one on the answer keypad. And so Watson gives me the directions. 9 times 9 times 9. And then I enter my answer.
Nice job. The cube holds 729 cubic inches of coins. Now, grab that pyramid-shaped coin bank. Does it look smaller or bigger than the cube? Compare the two.
So I can pick
The
up
cool
the
multicolor
objects.
cube is split into parts. Each one is an oblique pyramid. Take a close look. Do these pyramids look the same to you? To find out, place all 3 pyramids into the glowing shape on the table. Whoa, all 3 pyramids are exactly the same. Cool, right? Remember how we found the cube's volume? We used base times height. Let's build from that. What number do you think we need to multiply the cube's volume by to get just one pyramid? Enter your answer into the answer keypad.
You can see important information got highlighted inside the pyramid for us. We have more information on the board. And then, what do I need? What do I think I need to multiply by? I'm going to say
Boom, you
1/3.
got it. 1/3 of the cube's volume gives you the pyramid's volume. Now that you've cracked the 1/3 mystery, let's find out the pyramid bank's volume. Time for the final step. Find what the volume is inside the pyramid coin bank.
All right, so I found it of the cube. It has the same base, so I'm going to multiply it by
Yes, 1/3 times 729 is 243 cubic inches. That's the volume of your pyramid coin bank. Not all pyramids are square like the ones in Egypt, but guess what? The formula still works. Let's head to the next station. This time, we're figuring out the volume of the souvenir cup, a pyramid with a triangle base. Let's go. Same volume formula, new base shape. Use the triangle area formula, A equals 1/2 times base times height. You'll need the pyramid's height, 8 inches, and the area of the triangle base with side length of 6 inches and a height of 5 inches. Start by finding the triangle base's area, then plug it into the pyramid volume formula. Calculate the volume of the souvenir cup and enter your answer on the answer keypad.
all right. And so we saw we have more information. Again, it's on the board for us. I'm going to open my calculator. And I'm going to do the area of the base first, which again, I'm reminded. So my 6 times 5 times 1/2. And then I need to multiply by my 1/3.
Awesome. Area of the base is 15, height is 8, and 1/3 times 15 equals 40 and cubed. Nailed it. You did it. You're now a pyramid volume pro. You now have 3 options. Try more problems by selecting the button on your left, exit the learning experience using the center button, or exit to the lobby and log out by selecting the button on your right.
All right, again, students can access more problems that are related to volume of pyramids. We can exit and do something else in Curio, or in most cases, we're going to exit to the lobby and log out so the next student can do a learning experience.